Say hello to the HP EliteBook X360. It is the commercial counterpart of the much-loved Spectre X360 laptop from HP. Kicking things off with a build and design, the EliteBook X360 flaunts CNC aluminum panels on both the front and the back. The EliteBook looks elegantly premium while delivering the underlying feel of robustness. The industrial design incorporates subtle highlights around the edges which add to the premium look of the machine. However, the beauty is not just skin deep. The EliteBook 1030 G2 is one of the sturdier machines we have laid our hands on in recent times. The machine is MIL 810G certified, which translates to its ability to sustain extreme weather. There is no flex whatsoever in the machine. The aluminium chassis just won't budge under normal pressure. Coming to the weight, this laptop weighs just 1.3 kilos. The hinge on the EliteBook is so well calibrated that you can open the laptop with just one hand when kept flat on the table. More importantly, the hinge has enough resistance, keeping the display in the desired position while typing with the machine on your lap. Moving to the display, the laptop features a 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen display which supports HP's Active Pen. But unfortunately, that is not bundled with the machine and it needs to be purchased separately. It does, however, support a normal stylus in case you have one lying around. The display itself is quite nice, although it is not as bright as the HP Spectre X360. The color fidelity is also not as well calibrated out of the box. The touch response is smooth and accurate. A cool feature of the laptop is HP SureView technology. Put simply, you can activate this by pressing the F2 button and the person sitting next to you will not be able to peep into your display. Coming to the connectivity options, on the left the laptop offers a standard Type A USB 3.1 port, a microphone and headphone jack combo, a SIM card slot, and last but not the least, a security card slot. The right side of the machine features a microSD card slot, USB 3.1 Type-C Thunderbolt 3 capable port, HDMI 1.4 out, another USB 3.1 port, and the standard barrel power port. There are two things to notice here. Firstly, the Kensington lock is right in the middle of the ports on the right, which seems out of place. Also, HP could have easily powered the unit with a standard USB Type-C port, which would have added another port to the machine when not in charge. Moving to the keyboard, the keys are firm, have good travel, and offer a precise feedback. They come with two-step backlighting. The touchpad is consistent and precise as well. It is a glass touchpad, which means that it is quite smooth. The laptop also features a fingerprint scanner, which works with Windows Hello. Coming to the heart of the device, the EliteBook 1030 G2 is powered by the Intel Core i7-7600U processor. It is still a dual-core part, but the base clock is higher at 2.8 GHz and thus the boost clock is also higher. This is paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2133 MHz, which is a welcome change since most thin and light machines still use DDR3 RAMs. Then you have the 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD drive from Toshiba, which offers inferior read or write speeds compared to the faster Samsung SSDs available today. The laptop is quick to boot, fast in task, and does allow 4K video output over the Thunderbolt 3. It does not matter whether you are browsing heavy pages in multiple tabs or just going over a massive Excel sheet, the laptop remains buttery smooth throughout. Audio output is handled by a pair of dual speakers on either side of the laptop tuned by Bang & Olufsen. The speaker system is fairly loud and does not get distorted even at the highest volume. Coming to the lifespan, you can expect 9 to 10 hours of battery life from the HP EliteBook. This is not class leading, but it does fall under the realm of good battery life in the thin and light laptop category. The laptop can be charged with a supplied charger in and around 2 hours. All in all, the HP EliteBook 1030 G2 is one of the best thin and light convertible business laptops out there. It has the design, the build quality, the performance, the security features, the battery life, best-in-class keyboard, a fine touchpad, and a good port selection. The display is the only key area where the HP EliteBook 1030 G2 could have done better. Priced at 1,61,496 rupees, the HP EliteBook does seem to be asking for a rather stiff premium. However, once you consider that price points for business-focused convertible ultra portables are around the same range, and the fact that HP offers a 3-year warranty on the machine, it does not come across as an overpriced machine. So what do you think about this review? Comment down below and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.